Okay, this is Dorothy Smith, and I am just giving you an update on my subscription album that I started with the new 2020 Close to My Heart subscription pages. So I've been putting them, as I finish them, I put them in the album. And this includes more than just the subscription. It is also some special cut above layouts that Close to My Heart is offered, and I will put those in here also. So everything in this album is cut above. There were no scissors, only adhesive. No cutting. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay, so at some point you would put a title page on here and say whatever year it is. Okay, so here's the first one, Explore the World. And then the second one, Love This Adventure. And then Party Time, Time to Celebrate. And Everyday Happiness, so perfect for whatever comes up. And then A Lifetime of Love, so this could be like Grandma and Grandpa pictures or whatever. Hold on tight to this moment. So these are poignant moments from weddings or anniversaries or special birthdays. And then we have Into the Sunshine. Here we go. So that's like vacation or going out for a big fun time. And Let's Go, Happy Times. It just screams picnic to me. And then we've got, these are the specials. So Everything Happy, You Are My Sunshine, and Rainbow. And then Better Together, Family Pictures. And then the ones I just did, Reach for the Stars and Be Brave. And so that's where we are so far. So this is just super, super simple. This shows you how easily an album, a scrapbook album, can be put together. So I will keep you up to date as I put more pages in this album. So bye now.